Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to make use of knowledge base in Salesforce Agentforce. Let's say we have a strong knowledge base. In this demo, I'm going to make use of Salesforce Lightning Knowledge. So in my org, I have Salesforce knowledge articles. I wanted to make sure the Agentforce agent makes use of those articles and help the customer issues. Let's see uh, how to achieve it. I'm going to make use of Salesforce standard answer questions with knowledge action. This is Salesforce standard Agentforce action. So I'm going to make use of this. Next, we have to create an Einstein data library. We are going to create this Einstein data library so that the knowledge base is indexed. It will be in Salesforce Data Cloud. Agentforce will do the search in the data cloud, and then the data cloud will return, and then it will be shown to the users when they are on the active messaging session with the Agentforce agent. Here I created an Einstein data library. I have selected title and summary. If you want to upload a file, let's say you don't have knowledge articles in setup but you have a different source, so extract those data and upload the file here. Salesforce will build the backend for you in the data cloud so that those articles will be used by Agentforce agent. Let's say you wanted to display only the public knowledge articles that are set up in your Salesforce org, then you can enable this use public knowledge articles. Let's say you have some data categories already set up in the Salesforce Lightning Knowledge, and you have some confidential internal article, and you have external articles also. In that case, you can filter by knowledge data categories so that only the categories whatever you are selecting, those knowledge articles will be available for the Agentforce agent to search. If you have confidential internal Salesforce knowledge articles, I would recommend using this filter by knowledge data categories, or use public knowledge articles should be toggled on based on your org setup, so that you are not exposing some confidential or sensitive internal knowledge articles to the Agentforce agent. Okay, so the security part is done. Let's say you are a system admin and you are going to create this Einstein data library. Make sure you have data cloud admin permission set assigned to you. If you don't have data cloud admin assigned to you, and then if you create the Salesforce Einstein data library, the connectivity between Salesforce core and the data cloud will not occur. So when the end visitors tries to search the knowledge articles, and if the Agentforce is trying to search it, it won't find, and then it will say, hey, I don't find any knowledge articles relevant to it, and then it will try to do the next set of best actions. So there will be no point in using the knowledge base. So make sure the admin whoever is setting it up should have data cloud admin permission set. Okay, next, in the Salesforce Agentforce studio, go to the data library and select the Einstein data library. Once this is done, activate it. If you want to test it, we can test it. For example, I'm going to make use of this. So I'm asking Agentforce on troubleshooting my printer issue. It will go and fetch the knowledge article, and then it will be able to help us. No code, everything was point and click. and it took all the information, and then it is displaying it. So let's go here and verify it. So it made use of answers with answer questions with knowledge, the standard Salesforce Agentforce action, and then it was able to give it. For troubleshooting, what I would recommend is, if the knowledge summary is blank, then there is some issue in the setup. So this will be blank whenever there is a setup issue and the knowledge summary will be blank. One more tip what I would suggest is, if the knowledge summary is given as um, let's say yeah, hey, I didn't find any articles matching with the keyword, or I didn't find any knowledge articles based on the customer input, like that. If you get any output as the knowledge summary, then there is some keyword mismatch between the visitor, whoever tried to initiate, and you have to try to tweak your knowledge articles. One more thing what you can do is, you can also click this refresh data source, so that it will try to refresh the search index, which is connecting your knowledge database with the Salesforce Agentforce agent. So this is also something you can try. Once this refresh data source is done, check the last index date, and then you can try it. One more thing is, go to data stream, not data stream, yeah, data stream, and go to knowledge underscore KAV underscore home, and make sure in the refresh history you are able to see the records, and the data stream status should be active, and also the last run status should be success. One more is, go to search index tab, open so based on the um, Einstein data library, it will create the search index. So here you can try to click the rebuild, so that it will again do the search index rebuild for you, and then you should be able to see the knowledge articles whenever you ask for help in the Agentforce agent. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get sample troubleshooting steps for your reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.